Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to a rainy Southern California day. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about wet weather performance of these Bridgestone tires, because it's not often that we get the chance to experience wet road travel down here, and as long as that opportunity presented itself, I had to jump on the bike and give it a spin. Now real quick before I begin, if you're riding in wet weather and you're a noob, you really need to understand that you do never ever want to ride in the center of the road. The reason for that is the oil from the cars drip down onto that part of the road and there accumulates this slick spot. So just stay out of there. Just try to stay into the actual tire tracks of the cars in front of you and you'll find the best traction possible. Also, if it hasn't rained in a while and you're just getting out there, the road's going to be a lot more slippery because that oil is going to be transferring all over the place or running from one side to the other, whichever side is the downhill side. So I always typically ride to the uphill side of whatever road that I'm on and try to stick into car tire tracks. Okay, quick tip. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate you, because if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be making videos. Anyway, I'm Bradshaw. Thank you for watching. Till next time, take care and ride safe.